Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share projects here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing your Adobe Express projects is a simple process, very straightforward, and offers multiple options depending on your needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project that you are working. If you haven't already, don't worry because you just have to choose from the template section right here. You can browse from any of the inspiring templates that you can choose and then start your project, and then later you can share it. But if you want to start from scratch, upload your own content, just click this button and let's share your Adobe Express project. Now, after you have done all of the elements together here and you finalized the work, all right, as you can see, if you go to the upper right corner, you will notice that there is the share button. It's very easy, really. All I'm going to do is right click that option. You have all of these options. You can add people or groups here, for example, the names of the contributor or maybe your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, just put them here. All right. Or if you want, just copy the link right here. You can share now this link anyone in the internet. Or if you want only invited people can access, you can restrict that, copy that link and share it to them. All right. Or if you want, you can share this to your social media such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other social media channels that you can work for. Another option that you can do is go to the homepage again. Once you are inside the homepage, all right, if you wanted to share multiple projects at the same time, all you have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click your stuff, wherein you can access projects, obviously, files, brands, libraries, and shared calendars. You can create and organize content in a project for easy sharing. Click that, and there's going to be the multiple options that you can choose from. All you have to do is go to the three dots icon here, wherein you have the buttons. Click that, and there should be an option to share. Well, what happens is it would be forwarded here. Similarly to the option earlier, you can add people or groups if you have created your groups here. Basically, I'm the owner. Now, again, you have the restriction level here. If you wanted to, only invited people can access the link. Copy that link and send it to them. But if you want anyone in the internet to basically open the link, you can do that, and you can also choose if they can edit or can comment. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.